how to use your credit card wisely. Do you know about that? Because as I did a previous video where you have seen that today each and everyone is getting a credit card very easily. But are you using that credit card wisely? If you don't know that, you have to know these 9 points to avoid the mistakes while using the credit card. You can safeguard your hard-earned money and you can avoid paying huge penalty for the banks for using your credit card wisely. Hi, I'm Dr. Maria. I'm a financial wellness specialist. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share it to maximum number of people and like. And please tell me which are the credit cards you are using and how wisely you are using in the comment section. Please do the timely payment. You know 30 to 45 days which is available for paying a credit card bills. Please make a note of it when is your due date. Pay your interest or penalty or like even your due amount. If you know about that, please make a note of it, and prior to the due date, please make your payment fully. Avoid making minimum payment, so that even if you make a minimum payment, the rest of the amount, whatever it is there, the penalty and interest will be there. Please avoid doing this mistake. When you pay timely and when you pay in full, it will help you to increase your credit score. If your credit score is more than 600 to 750, of course this is a good credit score. And when you have a good credit score, you will get a chance to get a loan in future at lesser interest. So please make sure that you make use of this benefit by maintaining a good credit score while paying your full amount and within the due date. Number 3, use your rewards wisely. Check it out. For using wisely, you are eligible to get lot of rewards. Maybe you are having a launch facility. Maybe you are having like a lot of other rewards where you can get an option to use those rewards for some good things. Before expiry, you will use those reward points and make best use of your credit card. 4th important thing, use only for those things which is really required. If you are using for each and everything, maybe it may not be useful those things, but what if that will landing up paying a huge penalty and interest later if you are not paying your due amount within that due date? Use only for those things which will help you to generate some income out of those things. Don't spend for unnecessary things. 5th important point, use less than your salary. You may be knowing that whenever you are taking a EMI or any of the credit card usage, it should not cross more than 50%, 40 to 50%, because you are having other options like other things you have to take care. If you are using everything for credit cards and like unnecessary things, imagine at the end of the month when you are getting salary, you have to pay all the salary for just to pay back that credit card bill. Is it a wise decision? Not at all. So make sure that you are using less than the salary amount because you have to pay back at the end. Number 6, check your credit card utilization ratio. Maybe they are giving a credit option to use 3 lakh rupees per month. But if you are using maximum, then it will impact your credit score. Use only how much you have to use on that particular month. Don't use it fully and maximum. Number 7, there are a lot of chances are there where there is a fraud and theft of your credit card. If at all maybe somewhere you are missing your credit card, somebody else can use that credit card and use on behalf of you. So please make sure that as and when you are losing your credit card or like theft or fraud is happening, at that time please call your customer care and immediately tell them to block your card so that others cannot misuse your card. Number 8, if you are a business person and you are using credit card for business as well as personal, then please use different credit card for business as well as personal, so that you can have you exactly know that what are the things you are utilizing from the business card, what are the items you are using from the personal card. So you cannot mix it both, so that you can use it wisely and you can pay those things on time. 9th important thing, please don't keep all of your credit cards in one place. You may be having 3, 4 or 5 credit cards. You may be using those credit cards for different purposes. But if you kept all those things in one place, tomorrow if theft happen or the fraud happen, like maybe others can use all of your credit card at once and maybe you are in a trouble later. So make sure that maybe whichever you are not using, whichever you are using only for the online at home when you are using, please those credit cards at home and keep it in a safe place. And only when you are using at outside, when you are going out, only those credit card you take and use those. That's it about credit card. If you are using a credit card, you can make use of it for the good purposes and you can use that money for even though if you don't have at present, and you can use that money and you can make more money out of that. But please make sure that you are remembering all these 9 items and you will be cautious when you use a credit card and use it only for the good things and use it only for the required things. So be happy, keep safe all of your credit cards and enjoy your life. If you want to know more about these things, like we are sharing all these things in our 2-day bootcamp, you can register for the 2-day bootcamp. The link is given in the description and you can be a part of our Finance Chapel where all the wealthy people are there and they are learning, they are a financial literate people. We welcome you to the world of financial literacy.